Hello everyone, welcome to Blessed Day. Content today I'll be showing us how to participate on the XOS Testnet that goes live on 9th of May. Alright, so this is what we're going to do. Once you click on the link, it will take you here, then you paste your wallet address here, your MetaMask wallet address. Then if you have this gardener, you can also add this XOS testnet on your MetaMask, right? By clicking on that particular spot there. Then the other one there, the other desk is for Explorer. It's for their Desk Explorer. Then if you have for a user with a one referral, you can claim every 3 days. That is a faucet token every 3 days. Then if you user that hold Gardener badge NFT, you can claim daily. Alright. So this is what we are going to do. Now I'll go and complete this capture here. You can see that I'll be able to claim 0.2 daily because I have the Gardener and badge NFT and also so on. I have referrals. So this is the click on the bot here. Then you click complete the captures. Alright. At times it may not work properly because of their network issues and all of that, because of traffic. Let me verify and see that it works. Let me see. It's still loading. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, turn on notification bar. Alright, subscribe please. Alright, please subscribe to my channel. As you can see, I've claimed my transactions, I've claimed my my token, so I can go back, or you got that go put that XOS desk. Alright, the desk is there already. Subscribe to my channel if you're not. You can see the XOS desk. That's the next thing I will do. Then I'll click on the icon there to take me to the desk.sin.swap. So what we are going to do here, we are going to connect our wallets. Then we switch, since we know at that time, we're going to switch it to XOS testnet. Alright, then select the token that we want to swap this XOS to. Alright, so connect your MetaMask wallet address. You can do this thing using your OKX Web3 wallet. Alright, so you can see I'm using my OKX Web3 wallet. So I'll switch now. This is where I'll switch. Click on the switch angle there. Then I'll switch my. You can see the testnet. You can see the testnet. Click on the testnet there that is loading over there. Click on it. Then to allow you to ask you to approve. Alright. You click on confirm. Alright. So once it's been done, the next thing you do here, like I've running some transaction before, so you're going to see the one I've swapped before. You can see my wallet, the point I've been deducted. You can see I've done this wrap XOS bonk, then BNB. Then let me just go to Jupiter testnet. Let me just swap some little of it, 0.01, or I should put 2. Okay, 1. Let me just put 1. Let me just use 1. Alright. So once you allow it to load and the price came out completely, to ask to swap. So you're going to swap. Click on confirm swap. Then it will pop up your wallet address. You can see it's loading. So you have to click on confirm, then put your address, your password. Alright, that's how we're doing it. Keep on doing it. You have to perform those tasks. That's the little thing we'll be doing. Swapping every time, you'll be swapping and do all of that. It also ask you to connect to do this thing, to add this thing to your address. So you have to be doing it. So this is what we do every single day, so to be eligible for this airdrop. Alright, in doing this particular testing, it also gain you more allocations during the this thing. But don't forget the daily check-in is also important. You can keep on doing the daily check-in. Alright, click on confirm, your password. So that's how you'll be doing. Please, if you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel, to get more information regarding this channel. Then on the description of this video, I will be posting the whole link over the description of the link, and also you can join my WhatsApp group using that description. Okay, if you go under my description, you will see my WhatsApp group link. All right, that's what you do. Then you can see Solana over there. You can also run the Solana testnet. Also, it's still the same process I'm going to do. All right, so that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. All right, you can complete all the whole task if you want. You can be swapping every time, every day. I'll be doing this one particular one every day. All right, to get more allocation and also to get be eligible for the airdrop. All right, thanks for watching. See you in my next video. For those who are yet to subscribe, please subscribe to my channel, and also you can also check out some videos of some testnet I'm running for Mona testnet, Mega testnet, and Solana testnet. That's all. So thanks.